Hi, I'm Stefan. I'm the founder of Syncor Recycling here in Calgary, Alberta, and today we're doing a Razphalt installation. With our proprietary product, we have a higher content of oil, essentially, that makes everything bind together better and compact better than your standard recycled asphalt or gravel. We created the product in 2016 and we've been perfecting it ever since. This is now our third season selling large volumes of Razphalt, and we're getting a lot of momentum and traction because people are using an environmentally friendly product that's saving waste out of the landfills, and at the same time they're saving money as compared to putting hot asphalt down, and they're getting a lot of the same benefits as asphalt. There's a lot of reasons why someone would choose Razphalt. One would be the significant cost savings to hot asphalt. The other ones would be the environmental aspect of it, the fact that it's a 100% recycled product. And one of the other reasons would be the dust and mud suppression that Razphalt creates. What we've seen so far with Razphalt over time is it's holding up very well to plowing in the winter. The more traffic and heat that the product gets, the better it compacts and the longer it lasts. Typically, recycled asphalt, it compacts a little bit because it has a little bit of oil in it, but the oil content is dried out. So what we've done is by adding the products that we do to it, we've rejuvenated the oil content in the asphalt, and so it reacts closer to its original state, which was hot asphalt. Syncor Recycling in Calgary is the only company right now selling Razphalt. We manufacture it in town, and you can either pick it up from our site or you can get it delivered through us. With a bobcat or grader tractor, you can spread it, and then we recommend compacting it with a drum roller. The type of customers that are ideal for this product are large industrial or commercial projects, gravel parking lots, acreage driveways, golf courses, campground pathways. You can call Syncor or email Syncor. The phone number is 403-818-2376, and we'll have all the information you need, or you can find us online at either syncor.ca or razphalt.ca.